In this video we will see how to fix Birdfy app not working, keeps crashing or stuck on the loading screen. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all, force close and reopen your app. So guys, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and double click the home button and swipe up from the Birdfy apps to dismiss and relaunch it. Then unlink your Android, and iOS does not have the specify clear cache button, so for this you press and hold the Birdfy icon, tap the option of remove app, then delete the app and reinstall it from the app store and sign in back in. Okay, and guys, check the device date and the time. For checking the device and the date and time, you go to your setting, journal, date and time, and ensure set it automatically is toggled on. After that, clear app cache. For clearing the app cache, go to the option of setting apps, Birdfy storage, and tap the option of clear. And avoid tabbing clear data unless you are ready to log out and lose local setting, as these remove app data. So go to the settings app, Birdfy, and tap force stop before reopening. Then guys, hardware and the network resets. So guys, reboot the camera. So find the reset hole, usually under their silicon flap or near the search port or Birdfy camera. Use a pin to press and hold the reset button for 1 to 3 seconds until it's reboot. And guys, make sure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as Birdfy devices do not operate on the 5 GHz network. Second thing is guys, verify the server status. So guys, Birdfy has previously experienced a partially outage affecting the app login and cloud server due to the domain provider issues. So if any update does not exit, so you fix it, the issue might be on their end. So check on their social media for the server issues. So guys, thank you.